Mike and Tom, we're ready for the big kick-off. Aberystwyth and Llandudno meeting in the first game. I'm going to start with Llandudno, the newcomers. I take it you've been looking forward to this one.
Yeah, to be fair, last season it's a tough league to get out of, the Cymru Alliance, but we were there from start to finish, so since then the lads have just been, can't wait to get the season started. Pre-season's gone pretty well. We've been in since June, so we've been in early strength conditioning, so we feel like we're ready. So,
Aberystwyth been working as hard as Llandudno?
Yes, obviously we've been working really hard. Looking forward to it Saturday, just can't wait to get the season started. We've got a few new faces, team's looking strong and really looking forward to the game Saturday.
Used to seeing you in a goalkeeper's kit as well. You've stolen Chris Venables' shirt.
I know. I feel a bit lost, to be fair. I hope I don't stretch it for him, so a bit bigger than him, and bless him. But no, it's different from the usual purple colour kit that I have, but I can't complain, it's not too bad, thanks.
Aberystwyth, great season last year. Have expectations gone up, maybe?
Well, we've got in-house goals. We're obviously very disappointed to lose against Newtown in that game, so that hit us hard because we wanted to obviously be in Europe again. But we've got aspirations to do really well, and obviously we'll start on Saturday and hopefully get a positive result.
And Tom, interesting you mentioning it's a tough league to get out of, Cymru Alliance. Might be a bit of a relief then that you finally managed that. Has that been the aim of the club for a few seasons now?
I think since Clyde took over, that's been the ultimate goal, to be fair. Last season was a bit of a, not the season before, sorry, we came 5th or 6th, and we had some good performances, some bad performances, but last season we were very solid, tough to beat, and I think we only lost 2 or 3 games without the season, so we had a good platform and just looking forward to the season now, really.
Think the element of surprise might help, being the newcomers in the league?
Possibly. We know it's going to be difficult. We brought in some top players, to be fair. Mark, Mike Williams, Bully and Jono. They've all got a lot of experience at this level. So we think we'll do all right, and hopefully we'll surprise a few people.
What's interesting is 2 new clubs in the league. Hasn't happened for a few seasons. Haverfordwest coming back as well. That might help keep the interest going this season.
Yeah, I think it's important. I think it's good for the league as well that when the teams come up and they deserve to be up, they deserve to be in the league. So they've all worked hard. Like you said, there's both respected leagues, Cymru Alliance and the Welsh Division, are very tough divisions to come out of, and I suppose they deserve to be rewarded. So it'd be nice if there was anything closer to Cardiff, but no, it's going to be good fun. Looking forward to the challenges.
Yeah, have you been checking the map for the long journeys yet?
Well, Haverfordwest looks a tough one, to be fair. It's at least 5-6 hours for us, so probably be a stay-over job, hopefully.
Yeah, what are you looking forward to most, do you think, in the new seasons? Get things underway, I suppose. It's been a long wait.
So we just want to play now. You know, you do your pre-season. The games, they're all right, but there's not that competitive edge as there is in a real game, so we just want to get going now. The lads are ready.
We all know what's expected at Aberystwyth. Always a warm welcome. What can people expect in Llandudno coming there for the first time this season?
No sun, a lot of wind, but yeah, it'll be all right.
Sounds like Aberystwyth.
It does, yeah. Always windy. I'm not sure about this. Maybe a little bit more sunshine, but looking forward to playing on the 3G pitch as well. Obviously, that's going to be an interesting challenge, and I think a lot of clubs have got that now. So yeah, it's going to be a good test, and looking forward to game Saturday now.